Pollination. Pollination is defined as the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a pistil is called pollination. Now, pollen grains are to be transferred towards the female gamete. So, pollen grains, there are three types of pollination depending upon the source of pollen. One is autogamy, second is geitonogamy, and third is xenogamy. Now, autogamy means when the pollen grains of flower are transferred from anther to the stigma of same flower. This ensures self-pollination, and in self-pollination there is no variation, and the two types of flowers are there. One is flowers that remain open, chasmogamous flower, and another type of flowers which remain closed are clistogamous. So what are chasmogamous? Open flowers are known as chasmogamous, and closed flowers are called clistogamous. So the chasmogamous flowers, chances of self-pollination are rare because they have to depend upon the maturation time of stigma and maturation time of pollen grain, which is called synchrony. The maturation time should be same, then there will be self-pollination. And another category of flower, that is clistogamous flowers, the chances of self-pollination are more because the flower never opens to receive another pollen grain. So next, geitonogamy is also a type of self-pollination, but the difference is this, that in this case the pollen grain of one flower are transferred to another flower born on the same plant. So third category is xenogamy. In xenogamy, the pollen grains are transferred to from both the plants. Plants are genetically dissimilar. So this xenogamy brings variations because the plants are genetically dissimilar. So, agents of pollination. What are the agents of pollination by which pollen grains are transferred? It can be wind, it can be water, it can be animals also. So there are different terms for the pollination. For example, when the pollen grains are transferred with the help of wind, the phenomena is called anemophily and the flowers are called anemophilous. And when the pollination is done with the help of water, then it is called hydrophily and the flowers are called hydrophilous. And when the pollination is done by insects, why the flowers are colored? Just to attract the insects. Then the term is called entomophily and the flowers are called entomophilous flowers. So next, when we meet, we will study the characteristics of different types of flowers. Thank you.